So y'all, I think this might be my favorite one. I think this might be the one. Yeah, I think this might be the one, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a previous subscriber, welcome back. Nice to see you again. How your mama them? So guys, you know what time it is. It's my birthday again. I'm so excited. We're doing our annual birthday bikini try on haul. This year I'm going to, drum roll please, St. Lucia. Me and my friend, her birthday's the same day as mine. If you're following from last year, we went to Costa Rica. This year we're going to St. Lucia, so you know, beach, island, hot, sunny, pretty drinks, hot chicks. It's just gonna require some very, very nice bathing suits. So today's try on haul, I should say this year's try on haul, is going to be a mix between Shein, shout out to them, love them, and Cotton On. If you're not familiar with Cotton On, they are a store. I always go to the one in LA. Anytime I'm out there, I just have to go. They have the best stuff, super cheap. Like when I tell you guys the prices that I got for these bathing suits, once I try them on, you're gonna be like, wait girl, what? Yes. So I'm super excited. St. Lucia, one of these has two different tops, so it can be two different swimsuits. And then I have three more outside of that one. So it's at four, but five total because I can use a different top. But I'm so excited. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you are not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure your notification bell is turned on for the next time that I upload, because I will be going live on my birthday like I do every year. So look out for that. And let's get it going. You know, your girl's been in the gym a little bit, so you know, look a little different than last year. Okay. So guys, first we have this one from Shein. I got this from Shein, but on Amazon. So first things first, one thing that I need to notice that you guys probably notice is a little different. Your girl has waist beads now. I got them December of last year. So the last one doesn't have these. They're so cute. I have like 5, 6, your girl has a few. And I'll probably upload a video on waist beads and everything about them and the journey and all that and femininity. If y'all want me to, let me know. I will gladly do it. I have a whole video that I took when the girl did it. So waist beads a little different this year. I liked this one because it had the gold circle, which I felt like went really well with my waist beads because a lot of my waist beads have gold in them. But this is, what's the name of this one? Hold on. This is the Shein one shoulder color block thong ring bikini high-waisted set. I loved it because it's one shoulder, which I thought was really cute. It is white with a little beige here, and then it's beige here, beige on the back, and then just has a little bit of strip right here. So I thought this was really cute and classy, you know, out on the beach looking super cute. So yeah, love the fabric. The fabric is like a ripped fabric. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera because the lighting. It's like a light color, not see-through, but just light colored because you can see like the pad in it. Ribbed, but it's super cute. Oh no, bring me my light back. There it goes. And so I really liked this one. I actually got it on sale for $10. So again, when I tell you all these bikinis that I got for vacation, the prices, girls, $9.99 on Amazon on Shein. I will try to post the link below. If not, I'll post it in my Instagram story. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. But so this is the first one. Let me know what you guys think. 1 to 10 as far as birthday vibes. What's it giving? On to number 2. All right, guys, we have the second one. This one is also by Shein. This one is the, because I don't want to lie to you guys. This one is called, it's the women's cutout one shoulder padded set bathing suit. And this one is the same way, super great deal. I got it on Shein, but on Amazon for $10. I loved this one because, you know, who doesn't love a good black bathing suit, especially popping off this melanin. If you guys didn't know, black looks really good on the melanin. I like this one because of the one shoulder, as well as because it has the wired cup shape. So, you know, for us itty bitty titty girls, it's the president here.
Itty bitty titty committee.
It really gives us a nice shape to our bust area from the front as well as from the side. See, brings it up. Don't look at my tan lines, guys, I know they're crazy. But I like this one. It's high-waisted. I've really been into very high-waisted bathing suits the past few years. I really like things that come even really higher than this. I like bathing suits that actually come way up here. But I thought it was super cute. It is padded, so you don't have to worry about any nipple covers or anything like that. It's super durable. The fabric, it's like a nylon. And so it's high-waisted in the back as well. You can see it snaps in the back. Ooh, this one looks really good with my waist beads. I just noticed that. Looks really good with my waist beads. So yeah, this one, black. This is the only one that I have that's not colored. Typically, I do like very colored bathing suits, but every now and then you just have to have something nice and sleek and black. So I thought this was cute. So yeah, comment down below, rate it 1 through 10. Should this be the one that like I take pictures in and put on Instagram? Like, let me know what you guys think. You know, your girl looks, oh, you see those gains, you see those tones, like your girl went in the gym, you know, because mental health is real. Your girl had gained some weight, but I'm back. And we in there, and your girl is losing weight. So yeah. Number 3. All right, guys, so this is the third one. I got this one from Cotton On in a large in the bottom, medium in the top, because you know, your girl got a little junk in the trunk, and I don't got no titties. So I always love when I can buy a separate top and bottom because I can get a large and a medium. Not have to get a medium all together, and then the bottom is too small but the top fits, or get a large and the bottom fits, the top hangs off. Love that. Medium, large. I got this from a store in LA called Cotton On. I actually don't even know if they have it in other places. I just always go to the one in LA. I love this store, y'all. You know what? I should do a video of like things I got from Cotton On. I love that store. When I tell you, girls, $3. $3. This basically cost me $6. And it's super cute. I love peephole bathing suits. It is tube, it ties all around, it doesn't have any straps. You can make it have straps if you want to. That's what I love about this. I can tie this like this, or I can tie it around and make it go around my neck if I want to. So I have different options. The top is high-waisted. It's not super high-waisted, but it does come above the hip bone. I got this one in like an olive green color. Olive looks really good on melanin. It's just earth tones. Earth tones look good on me, you know. All this bubbling brown sugar right here, you know. But yeah, so this is the third one that I got. And like I said, again, it's an olive. I love it. I love the color. It's giving very much fall, but still on vacation. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Should this be the one that gets pictures put on Instagram? Let me know. All right, guys. This is the fourth one, but the last one, because I told you you can change out the top. So what I did on this one has the same type of top, like the green one. I just tied it up and around, like how I was saying, you can tie it here and it can be a tube top, or you can tie it around your neck. This one has a different bottom though. It has a super duper duper high waist bikini. This one does come like it comes up to where my waist beads are. I love the little gold rings on each side. Again, I love things that have gold like accents. I tend to wear mostly gold jewelry, and like I said, I have gold in my waist beads, so gold tends to like look really good on it. Super high-waisted, which means it's very cheeky, very cheeky, but you know, we're just gonna make it do what it do, baby. So I have this one. I love this color. I love yellow on women, period. I just think it's a very just bright, feminine color. It's yellow, it's the sun, you're on vacation. So I'm thinking that this one might be my favorite. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this might be the one, but I think with the other top though. So again, down below, vote 1 through 10. Let me know, should this one be the one with pictures? With this one or the green top, should I do it like a tube top like the other one, or should I cross it? Like, let me know, guys. Last but not least, so y'all, I think this might be my favorite one. I think this might be the one. Yeah, I think this might be the one, guys. I just love the color, the top. This one has the hard underwire with the spacing, so you know, makes the girls look really good. It has the super high waist that I like. Like I said, a little cheeky, but we can make it work. And I left the straps on to show you guys that it does come with straps to add. So I can keep it strapless, or I can add straps around or across or whatever. Y'all, I don't know. I feel like this is my favorite one. I just love the way it fits. I just love the color. I love how it looks. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I don't know. You guys gotta follow me on Instagram, because I think this might be the one that wins. I just love this one. Okay, let me know, comment section. Everything for the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to go live with you guys on Tuesday, October 4th. Libra, big mood, big energy. We are in the building. Again, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. Notification bell on. We're going live. I will see you guys in St. Lucia.